Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm just going to give you a short review of Blooming Suits, where I stayed for a few days while I was on a work assignment, and I just loved the place. It's not far from Naivasha town, and it's a new building, and so it's quite lovely, and I really enjoyed my stay there. And I just thought I'd do this video for you. If you case in case you'd like to have a short stay there in Naivasha or your work assignment, and you'd love to live in a wonderful place. So first off, they have really good food. I really enjoyed their food, and the food was excellent. The grounds are very beautiful, well kept. I'm going to put pictures in the up somewhere, either up here or up here. And that my experience from the time we checked in to the time we left was just amazing. So when we arrived, they check you in at the gate. If you're driving, they get the car details, and now then they allow you to drive in. Then you go to the reception. At the reception, you have a cool drink that welcomes you as you're registering to be given your room. So if you're from a long drive like we were, it was quite refreshing. Refreshing, oh my God, refreshing to have that drink. Then when we were given the room keys are just a card. It's a smart card, so you just swipe it on the door. And if you lose that card, the card is 1,500. And yes, the card is 1,500 as at now. So I'll give you a tour, and I took some photos, so I'm going to place them as we walked down the aisle to our rooms. I found the concept that they're using in their hotel quite interesting. They found interesting ways to make the the hotel look very beautiful and pleasing to the eye. And I hope you'll enjoy this video. I did the video of my room once I got to the room, and I'll also attach images of how the grounds look like. And I'm sure by the end of the video, you'll understand why I love this place so much. Of course, there's no place that's 100%, but if I had to rate it, I'd definitely rate it like an 80% or thereabouts. So let me not keep you waiting for too long. Please watch the video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Here we have very interesting content on real estate, which is a passion of mine. And also I do a bit of lifestyle here and there and vlogging. And I hope you'll subscribe so that you don't get to miss out on my interesting adventures where I go here and there. So thank you so much for clicking, and I hope you enjoy the tour. Hey guys, so this is my room at Blooming where I'm living. I just wanted you to see how beautiful this room is. It's quite spacious. I want you to look at the prints on the wall. Can you see? They're so beautiful. Look at the bed. Isn't it lovely? Are you seeing? Though it's at night, but still the room looks quite beautiful. There's a sitting area on this side, small reading area. There's a place you can relax as you're watching TV. And then you have the wardrobes. It has a double door wardrobe. And then it has a small reading area. You can see it has a flat screen. It looks like a 32-inch. It has a mini fridge. And down here, you can see it has a place where you can put your bag and your shoes. You haven't put them yet. Then I want to show you how the washrooms look like. This is the washroom. You can see it's quite spacious. Look at the detailing on the lights. I'll try and show you that in the morning. When you enter here, there's a mirror that you use. It's quite lovely and it's quite huge. There's a hand towel. They even have a bath lotion, so you don't need to carry your own bath lotion. On this other side, you don't need a shower cup. They already have a shower cup. They have the small hand washing soap. Then they have the disposal bucket. Sometimes you don't find this, especially for ladies. And then you have the toilet. It's quite clean. Can you see? It's spotlessly clean. Spotlessly clean. They've also taken care of our Muslim brothers and sisters. And you can see it is well stocked. And I wanted you to notice the detailing on the door. So it has ventilation. I really especially like that symbol. So now I want to go and show you the bathroom. And this is how the room looks like from when you're inside the washroom. When we move to the bathroom, let me switch this on. You can see the bathroom is also quite spacious. And the bathroom comes with everything that you need it to. It has a shower gel, it has shampoo, it has conditioner. Look at the gadgets that you use for washing. It has everything that you need, and it's quite big, quite big. On this other side, we have somewhere you can put your inners, and it also has the stand. You can see the pillow, the the towels are quite clean, quite clean. And this is the tour of the room. Let me do a close-up of the design. This looks like a wallpaper. It's so real. Yeah. Then there's something I really liked about their lampshades. You see this part, this, that's a small lampshade which you can just light on its own separately. That's a concept I've loved so much about it. And that is my tour, guys. I hope you liked it. If you love it, give it a thumbs up.